Boost Mobile versus Boost Infinite, which is best for you. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll delve into a comparison between two mobile service provider, which is Boost Mobile and Boost Infinite. And in this video, we'll explore Boost Infinite and Boost Mobile in terms of their features comparison, pricing plan, performance, network coverage, international usage, and at the end of the video, I'll help you choose which one is best for you. So make sure to watch till the end because I have created a presentation that will help you make an informed decision to choose the correct option. And to create an account on Boost Mobile and Boost Infinite, you could also use my affiliate link below the description, where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Boost Infinite, it is a new wireless carrier offering affordable unlimited talk, text, and data plans on one of the America's top 5G networks, which it provides affordable unlimited plans, access to multiple 5G networks, dedicated customer support, and exclusive deals for Amazon Prime members. While on the other hand, Boost Mobile is a mobile virtual network operator owned by Dish Wireless that offers affordable prepaid wireless plans and services in the United States. And they also offer or provides affordable unlimited plans, access to multiple 5G networks, and focus on customer service and value, while offering a range of smartphones options. And now that we know the overview of both platforms, we can now proceed by knowing other details about Boost Mobile and Boost Infinite. So let's start by knowing the features comparison of both platforms. And as you can see on this table, in terms of data, Boost Mobile offers limited data plans, while Boost Infinite offers unlimited data. And also in terms of speed, Boost Mobile offers high-speed data cap, while Boost Infinite offers high-speed data cap, then unlimited at reduced speed. And for hotspot, Boost Mobile offers unlimited hotspot usage, while Boost Infinite offers unlimited hotspot. And for international, Boost Mobile offers limited international features, while Boost Infinite offers international calling and texting included. And for streaming, Boost Mobile offers data-free streaming on select apps, which is also same on Boost Infinite that offers data-free streaming on select apps. And now moving on, in terms of pricing plan comparison of this platform, as you can see in here, in terms of basic plan, Boost Mobile offers a $25 to $35 per month for basic plan, while Boost Infinite does not offer basic plan since it only offers unlimited plans. And now for unlimited plan, Boost Mobile amounting to $50 to $60 per month, while Boost Infinite starts at $70 per month. And now in terms of family plan, Boost Mobile offers a family plans available, which is also same on Boost Infinite. And in terms of add-ons, Boost Mobile also offers additional charges for extras, while Boost Infinite included in base price. And now in terms of discounts, Boost Mobile offers limited discounts and promotions, while Boost Infinite offers limited discounts and promotions as well. And in terms of contract, both platforms have no contract required. Now moving on in terms of performance comparison, as you can see in this table, in terms of network coverage, Boost Mobile relies on T-Mobile's network coverage, same as on Boost Infinite. And in terms of data speeds, Boost Mobile offers limited high-speed data, while Boost Infinite also offers limited high-speed data, then reduced speed for unlimited data plans. And now in terms of latency, Boost Mobile offers similar latency levels as T-Mobile's network, while Boost Infinite also offers the same thing in terms of latency. And now in terms of signal strength, Boost Mobile offers dependent on T-Mobile's network coverage, same as on Boost Mobile, which is also dependent on T-Mobile's network coverage. And also in terms of reliability, Boost Mobile and Boost Infinite is generally reliable but may vary depending on a specific location. And now in terms of network coverage, as you can see on this table, in terms of network provider, Boost Mobile utilizes T-Mobile's network, same as on Boost Infinite. And in terms of coverage area, Boost Mobile offers coverage may vary depending on location and T-Mobile's network coverage, same as on Boost Infinite, which also coverage may vary depending on location and T-Mobile's network coverage. And now in terms of rural coverage, Boost Mobile has coverage may be limited in rural areas, same as on Boost Infinite. And aside from that, both platforms in terms of urban coverage has generally good coverage in urban areas. And also in terms of network quality, Boost Mobile and Boost Infinite has quality of service may vary depending on location and network congestion. And now moving on in terms of international usage, as you can see on this table, in terms of international roaming, Boost Mobile offers limited roaming capabilities, while Boost Infinite offers limited roaming capabilities as well. And in terms of international calling, Boost Mobile offers international calling available for an additional fee, while Boost Infinite has international calling included in base plan. And for country coverage, Boost Mobile's coverage may vary depending on location and carrier agreements, same as on Boost Infinite. And now in terms of rates and fees, Boost Mobile has additional fees apply for international services, while Boost Infinite has international services included in base plan with no additional fees. And for their features, Boost Mobile has fewer international features and options, while Boost Infinite has more comprehensive international features. And now moving on, in terms of customer reviews, as you can see on this table, in terms of overall satisfaction, Boost Mobile has varied satisfaction levels depending on location, network coverage, and individual experiences. Same as on Boost Infinite with varied satisfaction levels depending on location, network coverage, and individual experiences. And now in terms of network reliability, Boost Mobile has mixed reviews on network reliability, with some customers experiencing issues in certain areas, which is also same on Boost Infinite. And in terms of customer service, Boost Mobile has reviews on customer service may vary, with some customers reporting positive experiences while others report dissatisfaction. Same as on Boost Infinite with reviews on customer service may vary, with some customer reporting positive experiences while others report dissatisfaction. And aside from that, in terms of value for money, Boost Mobile and Boost Infinite has views on value for money vary, with some customers feeling they get good value for the price paid while others may not find it satisfactory. While in terms of international features, Boost Mobile has limited international features that may receive mixed reviews from customers who require such services, while Boost Infinite has an inclusive international features that may receive positive reviews from customers who value international connectivity. But the question is, who should choose Boost Mobile? Well, Boost Mobile is ideal for those individuals looking for affordable prepaid plans with long-term contracts, and to those who prioritize having a variety of plans options to choose from, and for the customer who prefer a straightforward approach to wireless services with fewer frills, and for those users who are primarily concerned with domestic coverage and don't require extensive international features, and for the people who are comfortable with T-Mobile's network coverage and reliability, and to those who may need family plans with basic customization options. But what about Boost Infinite? Who should choose Boost Infinite? Well, Boost Infinite is ideal for those heavy data users who require unlimited high-speed data without worrying about overage charges, and for those individuals who frequently use their phones for streaming, gaming, or other data-intensive activities, and for those customers who value inclusive international features like international calling and texting, and for users who want the flexibility to customize their plans with additional features and extras. And now, in conclusion, while both Boost Mobile and Boost Infinite operate on T-Mobile's network infrastructure, they cater to different consumer needs and preferences. Boost Mobile offers a range of affordable prepaid plans with limited flexibility and customization suitable for individuals seeking basic wireless services without long-term commitments. On the other hand, Boost Infinite provides more comprehensive options, including unlimited plans with enhanced features like unlimited hotspot and international calling, making it an attractive choice for users who prioritize flexibility, additional perks, and inclusive international connectivity. But ultimately, the choice between Boost Mobile and Boost Infinite depends on individual priorities, budget considerations, and desired plan features. So that's just a comparison review between Boost Mobile and Boost Infinite. Thank you.